Hi everyone, my name is Fadzliana. So for today, I want to make a tutorial related to Scratch. Do you all know what Scratch is? Scratch is one of the block aspects of the programming website, and you can scratch inside of a meeting and sign important changes and count out and stop. Basically, you can type in Google for more. By using Scratch, let's get to know the code, functions, and the system to make it easier for us later. Here I show you steps to use Scratch.
Open the Scratch website through Google or via the link in the description box below. Let's sign in an account. Since I've registered mine, I just log in into my account. Now, click the Create button to start a fresh, new project. As you can see on the left side, there are a lot of colorful codes consist of motion, look, sound, event, control, sensing, operators, variables, and my block. For motion is a code for any movement such as moving, turning, gliding, and more. Looks is a coding for acts such as thinking, chatting, and appearance such as size, lighting, and backdrop. Sound is a coding for sound effect, pitch change, and volume setting. Events is a coding for linker and message broadcaster. Event has the most important coding starter, which is the code which has the green flag in it. Control is a coding for wait, forever, and repeat. Sensing is a coding for sensors to all the movements and act. Operators is a coding for question, template, and more. Variables is a coding for making, set, change, show, hide, and anything. Last but not least, my block is a coding for making a block. If we click here, this section shows the costume. Whenever you can customize your sprite. Each sprite has a variety of costumes. In case you are boring and when creativity hits you at any moment, you can change the sprite color to your liking. Next to the costume bar is sound section. Any sound added will be shown here for more detail. You can copy, fade in, fade out, and more to make your Scratch interesting for having sound rather than hearing nothing throughout your project. Besides, if you look here, there are two buttons. First is the green flag to play your Scratch. Second is the red octagon to stop your Scratch. Now, let's move on choosing sprite and backdrop. You can choose any sprite here depending on what type of Scratch you want to make. It is up to you. Then, you can choose any backdrop by clicking this mini button on your right. Last step is saving a project. After completing the project, you can save your project by pressing this file button. Click the button Create. Now start always choosing a backdrop to make it look interesting. You can choose your sprite first if you want to. Now let's pick a sprite. Since the hair size is too small, change it to a larger size. Flip horizontally for all the costumes. I'm gonna make the hair facing the hand so it looks like the conversation happens between them. Now click the event button, then choose when the green flag click to run the project. To make our project look fun and interesting, I'm gonna add some music. Go to the code bar and click the sound button and choose the second code to make your music last till the end of the project. Now let's insert the pop sound for the hair by choosing the first code so the sound will be playing for a short period of time. Now let's make the hair moving towards the hand. Go to the looks by choosing the switch costume to hare code. Go to the control and add wait for 1 second code, but I'm gonna change it to 0.1 second so the costume transition will be faster. Go to looks and choose next costume so the sprite will be changing by times. To make our work easy, right click the mouse pad at the code and duplicate it. Repeat the same step but change the last next costume to move 10 steps by clicking the blue motion button. Go to control and stop all, but I'm gonna change it into this script. You can duplicate the codes if you want your sprite moving a little bit longer. Now, go to event and choose the when I receive message 1 code. Go to looks, just say hello for 2 seconds, but I change it to 1 second. Go to event and broadcast new message to. Let's move on to the hand. Click the hand sprite. Go to events and choose when I receive 2 because I want to reply the hare greeting. Go to looks and say hello for 1 second. Go to events and broadcast new message to 3. Now let's end the conversation. Click the hare sprite button. Go to events and choose when I receive message 3. Go to looks and click say hello but change it to bye for 1 second. Go to control and click forever. Go to looks and click switch costume hare. Now click the costume box. Duplicate the 3 costumes and flip them horizontally so the hare are not facing the hand anymore. Go to looks and click switch costume to hare A2. Go to control and click wait for 0.1 seconds. Go to looks and click next costume. Right-click the mouse pad to duplicate the codes as shown. Now change the last code with move 10 steps. Click the hand sprite. I'm gonna make the hand moving out too. Go to events and click when I receive 3. Go to control and click forever. Click motion and pick point in direction 90 degree. Click control and choose wait for 0.1 second. Click the motion button and choose glide 1 second to X -72 and Y -128. Go to control and click wait for 0.1 second. Click control and choose forever. Now the hand is gliding down the curve and change it to 150. Go to motion and click point to direction 90 degree. Click control and choose wait for 0.1 seconds. Click motions and choose move to 10 steps. Go to looks and click switch costume to hand A. Click costume bar and delete the last 2 hand costumes. Click control and choose wait for 0.1 seconds. Click looks and choose next costume. click the mouse sprite to duplicate the code. Set all the sprites back to the first place. Done! You can play and watch in the full screen and click the green flag button to play and the red button to stop.
That's it. I hope this video can help you out. I'm a beginner too, so I'm really sorry if I made a mistake, but for sure, hope this video gives benefit to all of you. So thank you. Don't forget to like and comment down below if you have any suggestions or ideas on how I can build my simple self-paced script, because I want to learn from you too. Thank you. Bye. See you soon.